So how could we improve this login form? Well, as old-fashioned designers like 6 years ago would say that we could improve the spacing between the fields. We could improve scannability, like we could align the text to the left, or we can even separate the topic in the other tabs or something like this. Or in UX design, we could also maybe get rid of some of the forms of the fields like state or zip code. But in today's world, when we have a social accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, and all the stuff, the best thing and the best approach to improving this login form is to get rid out of it completely and replace this form with a logging with Facebook or Twitter or Google Plus. So the users can start using your app right away, logging with Facebook account they probably already have, and we could use your app in a seconds. We don't want to complete this stupid form which doesn't mean anything for the app in general. I mean, what's the purpose of creating this kind of form for the users? Maybe we want just to probably test your app or maybe use your app right away. So just get rid of it. And even though for the programmers, for the coders, it's even easier when they didn't have to code the backend, code the servers, all the database and all this stuff. Logging with Facebook or Twitter or other social accounts is the way to actually log in for the app screen in this case.